Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up Ghost's interactive videos on your Squarespace website. If you're looking to enhance your online store with interactive video content, you're in the right place. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to admin.ghostretail.com, at which point you're able to sign in with your account credentials. Once you've done so, you'll be landed on the home page, at which point we can look to the left-hand navigation menu and select the Collections page. The Collections page will show you all of the video collections you've created to date in your account, along with the ability on the right-hand side to add them to site. If we select Add to Site, we'll be given the opportunity to select between 3 different display types. We'll be selecting the video carousel type today. Once we do so, we'll see 2 code snippets along with some simple instructions pop up here. Our first step will be to copy this core script. Once we've done so, we can flip over into the Squarespace backend, and from the bottom left-hand corner, select Settings. Once we've reached the Settings page, we can hit the magnifying glass in the top right-hand corner and search for code injection. Once you've reached the code injection page, you can identify the header subheading where we'll paste in our core script and save. Once your core script has been saved and safely injected into your header, we'll select Edit. Now that we're in the site editor, we can scroll up and down our site and select a location to add a blank section. Once we've added a blank section in here, we'll be granted the opportunity to add a block. Today we'll be adding a code block. Once that code block has been added, we'll resize it to fit our screen before selecting the pencil icon to edit the code. At this point, we'll flip back over into the Ghost side, and we'll pick up that last script right here. We can flip back to Squarespace, delete the pre-populated HTML, and paste in our video snippet. Now, once we've done so, we can save in this top left-hand corner. We'll wait for it to save before refreshing the site to view our changes. And that's it. On refresh, you'll be able to see the populated Ghost interactive videos, and your implementation will have been completed. Thank you for following along today with our guide. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, the Ghost support team is here to help. Don't forget to explore all the features and benefits that Ghost has to offer. Happy selling.